Hey guys, and here I'm opening the front panel of the Sony TC-K222 to replace infrared sensor which is here. I've got a new one. I'd like to install it and check that it will work. It's a little bit different because it's a later model. It's still CBX 1610, but it has different index. I hope that it's just due to this plastic piece on top, because this sensor has been installed into our Sony TV sets. I will replace it and let you know if it works. Maybe even before installing, I will test it with my oscilloscope and external power source. Let me see. But that's how Sony display looks like, and all these buttons and color LEDs. A little bit tricky to disassemble. It's required to remove three knobs here, here, and here, like these guys, to be able to disassemble it. But all in all, you see, it's pretty simple and easy. Everything sits on connectors. I was able to pull it from the deck body, front panel, and then disassemble it quite easily. Just couple screws here which holds this board. Alright, moving on. See you soon. Okay, as you may see, I just removed this plastic piece which was sitting on top with this lens, and inside we have exactly the same sensor. You see, they are pretty well matched. I hope they use the same frequency, so they should work pretty the same. Moving on. And here guys, I just installed the new sensor right here, and as you may see, I'm already fixed the board. So now I'm ready to install it back into the deck. So nothing too complicated, require a little bit of knowledge and work. See you soon. Okay guys, I just assembled the deck, and here I'm using remote control, and as you may see, this sensor which goes to the Sony television sets actually works pretty fine just right here. Good to know, good results. I'm happy. Do you? Almost works without issues. Record mode starts, so everything is fine. Thank you. Hope you enjoyed. Bye bye.